That's insane. I said I wasn't gonna do a snow video, but now we're up to almost 5 feet of snow in the last 4 days. So originally I was just gonna go clean the driveway, and then I saw my son got stuck coming home from his girlfriend's house in the driveway with a snowmobile. We thought we were done, but we got another, it looks like probably 2 feet overnight after getting 2 feet the day before and 6 inches to a foot the day before. So we're gonna get out here and hopefully don't break too many shear bolts and get that thing out of the way. I think the momentum got stopped pretty severely by the snow at the end of the driveway. The plows have not been through today, and it's almost 10 a.m. All the churches are closed. It is Sunday. From Boonville to Camden to basically anything northern Oneida County, no travel. To put this into perspective, the sidewalk I'm walking on, the snow is up to my knees. Last time I did one of these videos, it was up to my inseam, but this is the second day in a row of it being this deep. It's actually over, it's up to my inseam in some of these drifts. So, yeah, this is more snow than we got yesterday. Yeah, hard to show. It's, how'd you like that crotch shot? All right, so there's a John Deere lawnmower buried under the snow. And this door here I shoveled out yesterday. I don't know what time it was, around noon. We thought it was bad at our place. Now we're at my parents' house to help them shovel their roof off, and that drift up there on top is probably 6 foot high at least, because their roof ain't nowhere near that tall. Their mailbox was there. I don't know when the last time a snowplow went by, but right now it's only 1 car width wide right here on the road. This is the road that we were just driving on. I couldn't find a plowed road anywhere to get here. We drove all the way around the block and still everything was completely blocked off. That's insane. All right, get moving. Making my video look bad. No, your glasses are inside. I don't want your heat waves getting ruined. Parker thought it'd be a good idea to jump off the roof. So check this intersection out. Get it back.
Well, it's like power. This is why they brought a front end loader.
At the snowbank. Guys.
That's all we can see is snowbank. Oh, there's the plow. Holy crap. Why is it green lights?
I don't know. I switched to green recently.
Green's like
Oh, Jared, I don't know why you're increasing your speed
red
when
light.
they're clearly stopped.
Yeah, now get moving. What'd you think of the shoveling?
Man, dude. Yeah. Very calm business.
All right, we are finally home after shoveling the roof at my parents' house. The trip over there, I don't know if I actually got into this story or not. Every road that we tried to take, when we go to turn, it would be not plowed, and it was actually frighteningly deep snow. Like, we're talking a V of snow down to less than a single lane, and the banks were taller than I am. So if anybody was coming the other way, I wouldn't have been able to turn around. So we, normal route, we skipped that one. We went on around to the next possible road, and that was blocked off. We ended up going probably 20 minutes out of our way just to make it to my parents' house to get the snow shoveled, and you guys got to see that. So we are all whooped. My back hurts, my hip hurts, my biceps hurt. Great workout. And important thing just to make sure that roof was shoveled off, because that was a lot of snow. Actually, my father said it's the most snow that he has seen on that roof, and as long as he's lived there. So just to put it into perspective, how much time was spent on snow removal, I walked out of my house at 9 a.m. to snow blow my own driveway. That took about 2 hours. Snow blowed my grandmother's, she's a neighbor, and shoveled out garage door bays, man door. At the pole barn, I accidentally aimed the snow blower chute at the building and filled the building through that door with snow. So I had snow over waist height that I had to shovel out to be able to shut that door, and snow blowed to the chicken coop. I still have to shovel that door out, man door on another 2 outbuildings, and my porch is not shoveled, and that's not going to get done ever. Just not going to do it. Thank you for watching this episode of Mud Lake Ranch Bee. Hope you found it entertaining, and really hope that you enjoy the snow as much as we do. Hopefully next time it's riding snowmobiles and hanging out here at the farm, but this one was snow removal. Oh, and yeah, I mentioned when I left the house. I never mentioned when we got back. We just got back. It is 4:30 p.m. So basically an entire day shot doing snow removal and cleanup. And there's still more to do, a lot more to do. But yeah, thank you for watching, and we appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe.